Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and healthy at home as well as safe. If something is lagged behind in your life, so let me begin today's session. Are you feeling something stress or fear or anxiety or any other negative frequencies? As well we are human beings are natural inclined to be blissful and happy as the desire lies in the core nature. It can only happen when one has a higher frequency, so the power of Om is the highest positive vibrations. As I speak the word Om, you may get the idea. So, today's session is about the Omkara meditation. So, before beginning this session, I want to tell you the meaning of the Om. That Om we casually write OM Om. As we speak out, we have a three words A, U, and M. As A comes from the back of your throat, and while speaking, the U comes from the palate, middle of the vocal cord, and the M comes from the vocal organ or lips is nasal or labial. So today, before beginning the session, come to a separate room in which there is a silence, no disturbance is there. So let me begin for the Omkara meditation to remove your stress. We will begin as we say that in Patanjali that the yoga, the compose of the Yoga Sutras is Patanjali only, and the Om is also a symbol of the God. It is represents so much power in our body. As we do the chanting of Om, we will feel a positive vibrations and positive powers around us. So, let me begin the session. Sit in a quiet place or a room in which there is no disturbance, and you can sit while crossing your legs, and back should be straight or erect, or you can take the help of your chair. You can sit on the chair by taking the help of your chair, or you can take the pillows and sit on the bed also. Otherwise, if you have any problem while sitting, you can lie down in Shavasana. While Shavasana is a position in which both the hands are apart and the palms are facing towards the roof and the legs are apart. So, we will begin the session while you have to close the eyes, keep calm, and in a whole session, we have to follow the instructions as well of the instructor. Do not distract about your thoughts. So let me begin. Close these eyes and start the chanting of Om loudly so you can feel the vibrations of the Om around your head, around your whole body as per your auras. In your whole room, you will feel a positive vibes of that Om chanting. How much you can loudly speak out or chant, it will be more energetically. So, we will begin from the Omkara chanting while speaking, while chanting the Om. First, take a deep inhale. One, two, three, and then relax and hold it. Two, one, release. So, while doing this thing in three times, inhale up to three counts, hold it for two counts, and exhale it for the three counts. Inhale one, two, hold two, exhale two, one. Once again, inhale one, two, three, hold it two, exhale two, one. So now your breathing pattern is normal. Do not open the eyes. If there are any distractions, once again start from the beginning. It will feel so relaxed. Now we will take a deep inhale and chant Omkara. So inhale. Once again, inhale. Last time, we will inhale deeply as much as your body wants. Inhale. Relax and feel the vibrations of Omkara around you, around your whole body. You will feel positive vibes. While chanting Omkara loudly, you have to focus on your third eye. Focus on, or you can make an imaginary star, or a ball, or a sun, a silver string, anything which you feel a better, or you can make a Om sign on the third eye on the Anjana chakra. Like this only we will chant the Omkara mentally. Inhale and chant Omkara mentally. You will feel good. Remove all the distractions from the body. Inhale and chant Om 3 times mentally, and mentally. Do not do loudly chanting. Now we will increase the speed of Omkara and chant the Omkara loudly. Inhale. Om. Inhale once again. Om. Once again, inhale. Om. Increase the speed if you feeling the distractions from Omkara, or you can count reverse counting mostly from 100 and start at 100 to 1, and the distraction will be remove it. We will do Omkara like this only again and again so that we can remove all the distractions from the mind and increase the positive vibes in our body. And there should be a last we will have a japa once again of a second wave, and then second phase about that, and once again we will speak out this Omkara in mentally. Inhale and chant Omkara mentally. Now, the very deep experience of silence helps to expand from the 3D, three dimensional awareness of the body to all the preservance awareness. The bed of silence become a deeper and more expensive, a ocean of silence with waves on it, merge it into a silence, all that, and this silence is a source of creativity, power, knowledge, and bliss. So, remove all the negative thoughts. Inhale and take the positive thoughts inwards, and exhale and remove the negative thoughts from the body. While inhaling, you will feel positive power inside your body. You are the one who can do all things in the whole world. Don't listen to anybody. Remove all the negative thoughts. Like that only, we will move our hands and fingers and neck right and left and bring your awareness back, and you will feel a gentle relax after this Omkara meditation of 10 minutes. Now rub your palms vigorously, heat them, and make a cup of your hands and put it on your eyes. While opening your eyes, slowly, slowly opening your eyes, see your hands and give a smile on your face. Have a good day. Thank you.